Power BI tutorial. Today we will understand what is Power BI theme in Power BI Desktop and how we can create custom theme in Power BI. Power BI allows many inbuilt themes to make your report page attractive in terms of visual colors, background colors and many more. Using Power BI import theme option, you can choose visual data color according to your choice. Not only data colors, you can change visuals, border colors, font size, font family and many more. But for practice purpose, we will focus on data color and we will change data colors for visuals. Import custom theme support only JSON format. As I mentioned in example, this is JSON format. Okay, data colors, background, foreground, table ascent is Power BI property. So let's move to practical part. This is our Power BI practical file. Here I use two colors. One is cluster column chart and other one is pie chart. So guys, these colors are the default Power BI theme color. And when you select any visual and then go to format tab and see this is data color. When you click here, see these are the default theme colors. And when I click any color, see according to my default themes, these colors are showing. So how you identify these are the default theme color? So for this, go to home tab and then click to switch theme. See, here is the Power BI inbuilt themes, and when you click more, it will show you more inbuilt themes. Okay, so by default, Power BI default themes is selected. So when you click to default, see this is default themes, and now I am selecting other themes. Suppose I select high rise. See, now my data visuals color has been changed according to my selected themes. So when you go to data color, see all colors has been changed, and when I click any color, now my theme colors also changed according to my selected themes. Now I am selecting other themes. Suppose I select solar. See, now all colors has been changed, and when I click any color, theme colors also change according to selected themes. So that's all about switch theme, or you can say Power BI inbuilt themes. Now I will explain you how we can import Power BI custom themes and how we can create custom themes. Okay, so for this is simple code of custom themes, and see here in name you can give any theme name. Data color, you can give your focus color here and which color you want to display in your visuals. And in my case, my background color is white. You can give any background color, foreground color and table ascent color. Okay, I will post this JSON code in my YouTube description. Now we will import custom theme. So for this, just click to switch theme and then click to import theme and then select your custom theme file and then click to open. See, now my custom theme was imported successfully, and if you see here all colors are given by me in custom theme. And when you select any visual and go to format tab, then click to data color, see all colors are coming from my custom themes, and when I click any color, see theme colors also change according to my custom theme colors. So that's all about Swiss theme, or you can say Power BI inbuilt theme and Power BI import custom theme. Hope you clear difference between theme and custom theme. Thank you guys.